Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be a microloc style video as well as a lock update, because I just realized I never updated y'all from when I installed my locks. My locks are about 5 months old. They were installed December 26, 2023. I self-installed them. The method that I used was the twist method. So I basically began the lock with the braid and then it ended with the twist. Before I got my micro locks, I did have traditional locks. So I ended up combing my traditional locks out in order to install my micro locks. The reason being was because my hair is naturally thin, and of course the longer traditional locks get, the more attention it's going to cause on my hair, and my hair is already thin. Also, I need to say my hair also has gone through postpartum hair loss, postpartum shedding, like I said, along with the thinning. So as y'all can see here, this section I want to say is hair that is starting to grow back in, so I may be able to add a lock. But in the meantime, in between time, I've just been wearing like a lot of bang styles just to, cover those edges until, my hair gets to where I am able to lock those sides where my hair is growing back. But yeah, y'all, let's just get into the styles. So this style is a newfound style that I recently found that I actually like. It took me like a day to get used to it, but after I actually did it and actually wore it, I really think this will be like one of my go-to styles, especially with the bang. And y'all, please forgive me for this gum chewing. I did not realize how bad I was chewing this gum until I started editing this video. I am so sorry. So this style right here is not a bang style, but as y'all gonna see in a minute, it does cover the edges a little bit. So this is also one of my go-to styles. Alright y'all, so this is the last style, and this is just, can't call it a ponytail, this is just a little puff, I guess you want to call it. This is just what I do when I got errands to run and I don't feel like actually taking the time to do my hair. I just grab it, put it up in this little ball and go. So yeah, that concludes this video. If y'all want to see a part 2, then just let me know. Also let me know in the comment section which style was your favorite style, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.